Hello everyone, let's talk about how to use a humidity chamber for product testing. A humidity chamber is a specialized machine used to test how materials perform under controlled humidity and temperature conditions. It simulates different environmental conditions just like a real world scenario. Why is this important? Well, high humidity can cause rust in metals, cracking in plastics, and failure in electronics. That's why industries like automobile, pharmaceuticals, electronics, and packaging use humidity chambers to check product durability. Now let's see how it works. A humidity chamber has three main functions. First, temperature control. It maintains a specific temperature using heaters and cooling systems, just like an AC or heater in your home. Second, humidity generation. Moisture is created using water reservoir and steam generates inside the chamber. This helps to simulate different humidity levels. Third, air circulation. High-speed fans and vents ensure even distribution of humidity and temperature inside the chamber, so every part of test sample gets equal exposure. Now let's see how a product is tested in the humidity chamber. Step 1. The sample product is placed inside the chamber. Step 2. The required temperature and humidity levels are set using a digital control panel. Step 3. The test runs for a fixed duration. This could be a few hours, days, or even weeks, depending on industry standards. Step 4. Once the test is completed, the product is removed and inspected for any changes like cracks, corrosion, deformation, and failures. Humidity chambers are used in many industries including first, electronics with IEC 6006278 standards, automobile with ISO 167504 standards, packaging with ASTM D4332 standards, pharmaceuticals with ASTM D7709 standards. So that's how a humidity chamber works. It helps industries create reliable, durable, and moisture resistant products. If you are a manufacturing or testing, investing in a humidity chambers can save you from costly failures. For more details, visit Pacorr.com.